And they're off. Very awkward start for I'd Be Breeze off near the back of the pack. Sequoia Wells broke very well and is streaking out to the front, angling in toward the inside where Louisiana Vow is racing up to challenge and count down twice between them. Iron Brigade is out racing in fourth on the far outside. Tendon Wind way out there racing fifth and already 4 lengths behind. Head Turner's pushed on to keep up with the group. Riles is down at the fence and it's a long way back. I'd Be Breeze totally outrun. Round the far turn, Louisiana Vow head to head with Sequoia Wells. Iron Brigade revs up. Here's Iron Brigade now. 3 wide and coming after the lead. Farther back, it's countdown twice. That is Tendon Wind. Under the whip is Head Turner trying to pick through the pack. Not in it yet. Still has to move outside and actually just steady there at the top of the stretch. Sequoia Wells off the turn. Iron Brigade trying to get by Sequoia Wells, but Sequoia Wells keeps finding. Tendon Wind's a late furlong threat. Sequoia Wells opens up by 2.5. Tendon Wind moves to second, but it's Sequoia Wells at 50-1 from start to finish. Over Tendon Wind second, Iron Brigade third, and Head Turner fourth.